5 valuable lessons I've learned from Jim Rohn. Hello everyone, this is Roan Celis Capistrano of 1 Million Club. I'm very excited to share to you these valuable lessons I've learned from my favorite motivational speaker, Jim Rohn. Kagaya nyo, may mga araw din na tinatamad ako. Yung pang ang sarap na lang matulog. May mga araw din na down ako. Yung pang feeling mo ginalingan mo na pero wala pa ring resulta mga ginagawa mo. Buti na lang, may mga motivational speaker na kagaya ni Jim Rohn. Pag tinatamad or down ako, pinapakinggan ko audio talk ni Jim Rohn and after 30 minutes of listening to him, boom! Hyper na naman ako. Inspired na naman ako. And I'm sure, what will I share in this video will also help you. Simulan na natin. First, he said, time is your capital. Don't let anyone steal your capital. Napaka-importante talaga ng oras. Kung di tayo magiging maingat, maraming masasayang na oras. Halimbawa, number 1 na dapat nating alisin o bawasan ay ang panonood natin ng TV. Ako more than 2 years na akong walang TV sa bahay. Unang-unang naging benefit nito, bawas negative na sa buhay ko. Anong ibig sabihin nito? Alam mo bang isa sa cause kung bakit ka malungkot or stress ay dahil sa mga palabas sa TV? Sa TV, pag nanood ka ng news, puro negative ang balita. May namatay, may na-rape, may nasunugan. Bilangin mo ang positive news, baka 1 lang out of 15. Ganon din pag nanood ka ng teleserye. Patayan, paghihiganti, rape, hiwalayan, puro negative. Akala mo na-entertain ka, pero in reality, subconsciously, masama ang effect nito sa'yo. Kaya sabi ni Jim Rohn, poor people have big TVs, rich people have big libraries. Kaya sila mayaman kasi pinili nila maging productive. Alam nila ang value ng time. Kaya kung gusto mong umasenso sa buhay, di kailangang marami kang pera or pinakamatalino ka. Ang importante ay gamitin mo ang oras mo ng tama. Be productive. Again, time is your capital. Don't let anyone steal your capital. Second, if you don't like how things are, change it. You're not a tree. Nakakatawa tong sinabi niya pero totoo. Ang tree kasi kung saan mo itanim, doon lang siya pwedeng tumubo. Di naman niya pwedeng sabihin, please, sa Baguio na lang para malamig. Ganon din ang aso, di siya makakapagsabi na ayoko ng dog food, gusto ko bangus sisig. Siyempre ang kakainin niya depende sa ibibigay ng amo niya. What about human? Na-realize mo na ba kung gaano tayo naiba sa animals at sa plants? As a human, we have unlimited potentials. If you want to earn 50,000, malaya ka. Kung gusto mong pumasyal sa Japan, do it. Kung gusto mong tumira sa Davao, then do it. Bottom line, pag may gusto kang mangyari sa buhay mo, magagawa mo. If you just realize that you have the capabilities, that you have potential. Third, success is nothing more than a few disciplines practice every day. Pag may nakikita kang successful, ang sinasabi mo, kasi magaling lang talaga siya. Pero ang totoo, kapag tinanong mo ang mga successful, walang magsasabi sa'yo na, oo nga, sinuwerte lang talaga ako kaya ako umasenso. Lahat sasabihin kasi may discipline ako. Halimbawa, may nakita ka sa gym, ang ganda ng katawan, macho. So ikaw dahil day 1 ka palang nag-gym, nag-compare ka agad. Ay teka, ang laki ng tiyan ko. Parang imposibleng maging macho din ako gaya niya. Pero kung tatanungin mo siya bakit siya macho, ang isasagot niya sa'yo, kasi 5 years na ako nag-e-exercise, 1 hour every day. Kaya ikaw, wag mong sasabihin na, bakit sa akin di effective? Kasi simula ka palang nag-e-exercise tapos once a week lang. May mga araw pa na tinamad ka kaya naging twice a month na lang. Seriously, if you want to improve any aspect of your life, execute daily. If you want to be healthy, eat healthy food daily. If you want to be the best dad ever, spend time with your child daily. If you want to be financially successful, discipline yourself daily. Success is not a one-time, big-time event. It's a daily execution. Fourth, the major value in life is not what you get. The major value in life is what you become. This is one of my favorite lessons from Jim Rohn. Bakit ka ba magsiset ng goal? Bakit ba may goal ka na 1 million by age 30? May mga case na maiinggit ka. Ay, mabuti pa siya, nakapangasawa ng mayaman. Samantalang ako napag-iwanan na yata ng mga kabatch ko. 30 years old na ako pero 30,000 pa lang ang ipon ko. O kaya naman, may 500,000 na sana ako. Kaya lang, naloko ako ng business partner ko. Yes, di talaga maiwasan na i-compare natin kung ano meron tayo sa iba. Pero instead of focusing on what you have, why not focus on your personal development? Anong ibig sabihin nito? If you have 30,000 today and your target is 1 million in 5 years, just continue to increase your value. Think on how to serve more people. Learn how to create a website. Learn how to do internet marketing. Improve your leadership skills, whichever is applicable to what you are doing now. Then boom, you will hit 1 million. Yes, it's a big amount pero mas importante sa 1 million, yung changes sa'yo. Mas importante na you are a better person compare sa kung ano ka 5 years ago. Ang mahirap lang naman yung first 1 million. After that, mas madali na yung second and third million. Kasi you are smarter, you are more productive, you are great in decision making, effortless na yung discipline sa'yo. And lastly, Jim Rohn left these 4 questions to us. First, why? Why read books? Why attend seminars? Why discipline yourself? Second, why not? Why not see how much money you can earn? Why not see how far you can go? Why not see how many books you can read? Why not see how many people you can help? Third, why not you? Jim Rohn said it's very obvious that we can be successful in life. Sa dami ng testimonials, we have to believe na ordinary person can do great things. So if other people become successful, why not you? And lastly, why not now? Ang kalaban natin sa success ay procrastination. We always delay things. So Jim Rohn challenged us to start to act now because there's no perfect time to execute. To learn more about Jim Rohn's teachings, search him on blogs and YouTube. If you want to learn more success principles and if you want to improve your financial situation, join us this coming SMX convention on August 19 and 20, 2017. Please email me at roancelis@gmail.com if you want to attend this big event. Please indicate convention in the subject. Requirements here are you must be an IMG member and pay SMX Convention's registration fee. To learn more about IMG, please watch the video link below. Again, please email me at roancelis@gmail.com or roan@1millionclub.com if you want to be part of IMG. You may also add me in Facebook, Roan Celis Capistrano. Please subscribe if you like this video. Thank you for watching this video.